Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Looking for the best pressure cooker in 2025? We've tested and reviewed the top 5 models to help you cook faster, easier, and more efficiently. Whether you need one for home cooking or meal prep, these picks offer the best performance and features. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button. All the products mentioned in this video are available in the description below. If you're ready, let's get started. Number 5. Instant Pot Pro. Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 might be your best bet. This 6-quart multi-cooker does it all: pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing, steaming, sous vide, and even yogurt making. It features customizable cooking programs, an easy-to-use digital display, and advanced safety features. Plus, the stainless steel inner pot ensures even heating for perfect meals every time. With over 800 guided recipes in the app, meal planning is effortless. Whether you're making tender meats, fluffy rice, or healthy steamed veggies, this cooker delivers consistent results. Versatile 10-in-1 functionality, fast and efficient. Cooking, high-quality stainless steel inner pot. Includes a recipe app for inspiration. The Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 is a game changer for home cooks. If you want convenience, versatility, and reliability, this might be the perfect fit for your kitchen. Check the link in the description to grab yours today. Number 4. Ninja FD401 LP3. Ninja FD401 Foodie 12-in-1 Deluxe XL. A powerhouse pressure cooker and air fryer in one. With an 8-quart capacity and 12 cooking functions, this beast lets you steam, slow cook, sauté, dehydrate, and more, all in a single appliance. It comes with a 5-quart crisper basket for perfect air frying and a reversible rack to cook multiple dishes at once. Whether you're crisping up chicken wings or slow cooking a stew, the results are consistently delicious. The Tender Crisp technology ensures your food stays juicy on the inside and crispy on the outside. Plus, the user-friendly control panel makes switching between functions a breeze. If you want a versatile, space-saving kitchen appliance that does it all, the Ninja FD401 Foodie is a fantastic choice. Let us know in the comments what you'd cook first. Number 3. Cosori Electric 6QT Cosori Pressure Cooker. Electric 6QT, a 9-in-1 multi-cooker designed to make cooking faster and easier. With 1100 W of power, it handles pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing, sous vide, rice cooking, and more, all in one sleek stainless steel unit. The easy-to-use digital display lets you switch between cooking modes effortlessly. Plus, the safer venting design reduces steam release risks for added peace of mind. The stainless steel inner pot is durable and easy to clean, while the tight sealing lid locks in flavors and nutrients. From tender meats to perfectly cooked rice, this cooker delivers consistent results. It speeds up meal prep while maintaining rich flavors. If you want a versatile, powerful, and safe pressure cooker, the Cosori 6QT is a solid choice for any kitchen. Number 2. Presto 01781. The Presto 01781 Pressure Canner and Cooker 23QT is a top choice for home canning and large batch cooking. This versatile pressure canner is designed for safe and efficient home canning, meeting USDA safety standards. With a 23-quart capacity, it's perfect for preserving vegetables, meats, and sauces. The heavy-duty aluminum construction ensures even heat distribution, making it compatible with most stovetops, including gas and electric. The dial gauge provides precise pressure control, essential for high-altitude canning. It also doubles as a pressure cooker, allowing you to prepare large meals with ease. However, it's a bit bulky, so storage might be a concern for some. Overall, the Presto 01781 is an excellent investment for home canners and bulk meal preppers. Its durability, large capacity, and reliable performance make it a standout choice. Number 1. Presto Precise 02144. Presto Precise 12QT Electric Pressure Canner 02144 is a game changer. This electric canner takes the guesswork out of pressure canning. With its digital control panel and automated pressure settings, the digital interface makes operation simple. Just set it and let it do the work. No need to monitor stovetop pressure. With a 12-quart capacity, it's perfect for small to medium batches. Plus, the built-in safety features ensure worry-free canning. Easy-to-use digital controls. USDA approved for safe pressure canning. Automatic pressure adjustment. If you want a hassle-free, safe, and reliable way to preserve food, the Presto Precise 12 Kadi electric pressure canner is a solid investment. That wraps up our list of the 5 best pressure cookers for 2025. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect one for your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Gadget reviews. Let us know your favorite in the comments below.